Hey there, good folks. Ever been caught in the throes of a nasty cough? Here's a quick DIY solution. Nature's own cough syrup with just 3 simple ingredients: honey, lemon, and ginger. Honey, a natural sweetener, does wonders in soothing your sore throat. Lemon, packed with vitamin C, boosts your immune system, while ginger, a potent anti-inflammatory, helps reduce coughing. Here's how you whip it up. Squeeze the juice of 1 whole lemon. Grate a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Combine these with a cup of raw honey. Stir well. Store this concoction in a glass jar. Take a spoonful as needed. Remember, it's not just a DIY cough syrup, it's a soothing balm for the winter blues. Stay healthy, everyone!